Hi everyone, welcome back to the Geterbrewed channel. So today I'm going to look at the Fermzilla range. Look, we've looked very briefly in the past at fermenting under pressure and highlighted the Fermzilla starter kit. So it's just to take you through the range and tell you what options we have. So the Fermzilla starter kit comes in 3 different sizes: 27 litres, 35 litres and 55 litres. The unique thing with the starter kit is they come with these yeast harvesting containers, and you can upgrade them to ferment under pressure by adding a pressure kit, which is a couple of carbonation caps and the dip tube with the ball. Now, we've covered in the past that you can dry hop using the yeast harvesting container, meaning that you would, put your carbonation caps on either side here, flush it with CO2 and then open the dump valve to allow you to circulate the hops internally. It's basically a uni tank. As I've already said, it comes in 3 different sizes, allowing you to ferment fast and ferment under pressure. Excellent quality and genuinely really popular. Now, the most popular selling Fermzilla for us has to be the 30 litre all-rounder, which is this device here, and the fermenter comes with the stand, obviously, in the curved base on it, and it can be upgraded to add a pressure kit. I've just popped one of the carbonation caps on here to let you see what that looks like. It comes in 2 sizes, 30 litres and 60 litres. They have the handles, stainless steel handles, as standard on these that come. Really good quality plastic uni tank. Now, if you're fermenting under pressure, you can transfer it under pressure, you can keg straight from the fermenter. We would recommend that you use a fermentator with these to regulate the temperature control, but excellent piece of kit. Then the real basic plastic flat bottom fermenter that comes from the Fermzilla range. This is just for very beginner standard. Could be used for beer, wine, cider. The only problem you have is that you're going to have to introduce a siphon whenever using these. Now, that's not a problem if you take your time and you're careful, but if you're brewing a really hoppy New England IPA and you've been doing hop stands and lots of different dry hops, you're going to want to be having that under pressure in one of the other vessels. So that's a very quick look at the Fermzilla range. We would suggest that if you're going for these systems, you add a pressure kit, a 2-bar spunding valve and some ball lock connectors to allow you to ferment under pressure, to transfer under pressure. And if you have any questions about the Fermzilla range, don't hesitate to get in touch with me or one of my team. And until next time, happy brewing.